Introducing the Sunjoe Wood Chipper, the ultimate tool for all your yard debris needs. Whether it's sticks, leaves, or even Christmas tree branches, this powerful machine is ready to tackle it all, while also being easy to move around. And by the way, this is an excellent gift for any gardener. So keep that in mind for your favorite gardener. Hello, this is Martha with the Living Backyard. We are unboxing this Sunjoe Wood Chipper, and these are all the parts. Very well packed, easy to follow instructions, includes all the tools to put it together, and in real time, it took around 15 to 20 minutes to put it all together and start chipping. I love this paddle because it helps you push, remove any jams, and keep your fingers safe away. With its robust motor, the Sunjoe Wood Chipper effortlessly chips for hours and shreds branches up to 1.5 inches thick, which is extremely helpful for around the yard. No need to struggle with manual tools or hiring expensive tree services. This chipper will save you time and money while making your yard look all neat. We have been using the wood chips in our flower beds, as I will show you in a few minutes. Equipped with a great safety hopper, you can rest assured that your hands will be protected from any accidents. Not only is the Sunjoe Wood Chipper powerful, but it is also incredibly easy to use. Simply feed your debris into the hopper and watch as it quickly turns sticks into nutrient-rich mulch. One thing to notice is it will jam if the branch is too twisted or too thick. So far we have liked it, and it is easy to unjam the branch by unplugging it first, then pulling on the branch or pushing it with the provided tool. Remember, safety first. You need to unplug it if you have to do any unjamming or any moving of the sticks. Doesn't happen often, but you want to be always on the safe side. I recommend also using the chipper with gloves and hearing protection as well. The compact design and lightweight construction make it convenient to move around your yard. You can keep it by the yard, you can keep it by the patio or on top of the flower bed, or do as I'd like, put in a plastic bucket to fill it up and then move those wood chips to wherever you need, ensuring no spot is left untouched. And the best part? The Sunjoe Wood Chipper is environmentally friendly. In my personal opinion, the bag included is a little too small, but it can be used for other things. The mulch it produces can be used to nourish your garden or flower beds, reducing waste and providing natural nutrients to your plants. Take advantage of the Sunjoe Wood Chipper and say goodbye to yard debris forever, or at least for the season. Your yard will thank you, and so will your wallet. This is, however, not for large branches or very large jobs unless you take your time. The good reasons for the size and the weight are also the cause for a small opening. So it requires time to go through many branches, but in my personal opinion, it does a great job for regular cleaning. It does great for regular jobs, meaning not industrial amount sizes. It also helps to have the branches cut to manageable length to feed them through the chopper. We have been using it every time the strong winds come and knocks down a bunch of branches from the oak trees and debris here in Central Texas, and it has saved us lots of work. And also money, because we can use it on the flower beds all over and replace the old wood chips with more new chips that you will always have available. I have a link in the description box below if you want to give it a try. Get yours today and transform your outdoor space with ease. Thanks for watching this video, and if you find it helpful, hit the thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tips and gardening videos.